Need your iPhone, iPad, iPod or Apple Mac repaired locally, professionally and at an affordable price, but just don't know where to go? The iTechnician network is the answer you've been looking for. With fast, friendly and affordable iTechnicians at walk-in repair centres across the UK. You can get your Apple device fixed professionally and locally, on the same day, within an hour and while you wait. iTechnician also offers a mail-in service, or you can request an iTechnician to come to your home or workplace. So how does it work? Step 1. Select your Apple device and enter your postcode. iTechnician will suggest local iTechnicians in your area. Step 2. Choose a couple of the featured iTechnicians and request a no-obligation repair quote online. Step 3. Fill in the quick and easy online repair quote form and your chosen iTechnician will get back to you promptly with their best offer. Directly after your request, you'll receive their contact details by email.
You have mail.
Give it a try. Request a free, no-obligation repair quote online today. iTechnician, keeping you connected.